Welcome back to Power Tool Review. Today, I'm excited to show you 19 new tools on Amazon you should buy now in 2026 that can upgrade your workshop and home projects. From precision measuring gear to heavy-duty power tools, I've handpicked useful innovations available right now. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's jump right into today's best tool lineup now. Today,
STEDI heavy-duty scissors. STEDI heavy-duty scissors are designed for users who need reliable cutting performance across a wide range of tasks. I like the durable stainless steel blades that stay sharp and deliver clean, precise cuts through cardboard, fabric, plastic, rope, and other materials. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, helping reduce hand fatigue during extended use. Built for both workshop and household applications, these scissors offer excellent control and durability. Their corrosion-resistant construction helps maintain performance over time, even in demanding environments. Whether you're handling packaging, crafting, repairs, or general maintenance work, they perform consistently. Overall, these scissors combine strength, comfort, and precision, making them a valuable addition to any toolbox or workspace today. Premium Easy Cut Pruners. Premium Easy Cut Pruners are a practical gardening tool designed to make trimming plants easier and more efficient. I like the razor-sharp bypass blades that create clean cuts, helping maintain healthier plants and shrubs. The ergonomic handles provide a secure and comfortable grip, reducing strain during longer gardening sessions. Made from durable materials, these pruners are built to withstand regular outdoor use while maintaining cutting performance. The spring-assisted action helps minimize effort and improves overall control. A built-in safety lock allows secure storage when not in use. Whether you're pruning flowers, trimming branches, or maintaining a backyard garden, these pruners deliver reliable results. Overall, they are a dependable choice for gardeners seeking precision and comfort. Kreg Cabinet Door Jig Kit. Kreg Cabinet Door Jig Kit is designed to simplify cabinet door construction and installation while improving overall accuracy. I like how the jig helps create consistent alignment, reducing measurement mistakes and saving valuable project time. The adjustable setup accommodates a variety of cabinet door styles and sizes, making it suitable for many woodworking applications. Built from durable materials, it withstands repeated use in busy workshops and home garages. Clear markings and user-friendly guides make operations straightforward, even for beginners. Whether you're building custom cabinets, upgrading furniture, or tackling renovation projects, this jig delivers professional-looking results. Overall, it is a smart woodworking accessory that improves precision, efficiency, and confidence during cabinet projects. NEIKO Digital Caliper Tool. NEIKO Digital Caliper Tool is a precision measuring instrument designed for accurate readings in woodworking, metalworking, automotive, and engineering applications. I like the large digital display that makes measurements easy to read at a glance. It supports both metric and imperial units, allowing quick conversions without extra calculations. The stainless steel construction provides durability while maintaining smooth movement across the measuring track. This tool can accurately measure inside dimensions, outside dimensions, depth, and step distances. The zero setting feature is especially useful when comparing measurements during detailed projects. Lightweight and portable, it fits easily into a toolbox or workbench drawer. Overall, this digital caliper delivers dependable accuracy, convenience, and versatility for professionals and hobbyists alike. Mr. Penn Wood Bar Clamps. Mr. Penn wood bar clamps are essential woodworking tools designed to hold material securely during assembly, gluing, and repair projects. I like the sturdy steel bar construction that provides excellent strength and stability under pressure. The adjustable sliding mechanism allows quick positioning for different workpiece sizes, making these clamps highly versatile. Comfortable handles offer better grip and smooth tightening, helping maintain consistent clamping force throughout the project. They are ideal for furniture building, cabinetry, woodworking repairs, and general workshop tasks. The durable design ensures long-lasting performance, even with frequent use. Whether you're a beginner working on simple projects or an experienced woodworker tackling larger builds, these clamps provide dependable support. Overall, they are practical, reliable, and easy to use. Kreg Drawer Slide Jig Kit. Kreg Drawer Slide Jig Kit is a helpful woodworking accessory that makes drawer slide installation faster, easier, and more accurate. I like how it supports the slides during installation, reducing the need for extra hands and minimizing alignment errors. The adjustable design works with various cabinet sizes and drawer configurations, making it useful for many projects. Durable construction ensures long-term reliability in both professional and DIY workshops. Clear positioning guides help create smooth operating drawers with consistent results. This jig is especially useful when building cabinets, storage units, and custom furniture pieces. Even beginners can achieve professional quality installations with less frustration. Overall, it improves efficiency, accuracy, and confidence, making drawer slide installation a much smoother woodworking experience.
JESIMAIK Cordless Impact Gun. JESIMAIK Cordless Impact Gun is a powerful fastening tool designed for automotive, construction, and maintenance applications. I like the cordless design because it provides freedom of movement without the limitations of power cords. Its high torque output helps loosen stubborn bolts and tighten fasteners quickly and efficiently. The ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended work sessions. Equipped with a rechargeable battery, it delivers dependable performance for a variety of demanding tasks. Multiple speed settings allow greater control and versatility depending on the application. Whether you're working on vehicle repairs, equipment maintenance, or construction projects, this impact gun delivers reliable results. Overall, it combines power, portability, and convenience in one practical tool. Concealed Hinge Jig Tool. Concealed Hinge Jig Tool is designed to simplify cabinet hinge installation while improving accuracy and consistency. I like how it helps create properly positioned hinge holes, reducing mistakes and saving valuable project time. The adjustable design accommodates various hinge types and cabinet door thicknesses, making it suitable for many woodworking applications. Durable construction ensures dependable performance through repeated use in workshops and home projects. Clear guides and markings make setup straightforward, even for users with limited experience. This tool is especially useful for kitchen cabinets, furniture building, and renovation projects requiring professional-looking results. By improving alignment and precision, it helps create smoother door operation. Overall, it is a practical tool for achieving accurate concealed hinge installations.
WIN Variable Speed Jigsaw. WIN Variable Speed Jigsaw is a versatile cutting tool designed for making detailed and curved cuts in wood, metal, plastic, and other materials. I like the variable speed control that allows adjustments based on the material and project requirements. The powerful motor delivers smooth cutting performance while maintaining accuracy. Its ergonomic handle provides comfort and control, reducing fatigue during extended use. Quick blade changes help save time and keep projects moving efficiently. The compact design improves maneuverability, making it easier to work in tight spaces and intricate patterns. Whether you're handling home improvement projects, woodworking tasks, or professional construction work, this jigsaw offers dependable performance. Overall, it delivers precision, flexibility, and convenience for a wide range of cutting applications. TOOLEAGUE Heavy Pry Bar Set. TOOLEAGUE Heavy Pry Bar Set is built for demanding demolition, lifting, and prying applications where strength and durability are essential. I like the forged steel construction that provides excellent leverage and long-lasting reliability. The set includes multiple sizes, allowing you to choose the right tool for different jobs. Hardened tips improve performance when working in tight spaces or removing stubborn materials. Comfortable grips help maintain control while reducing hand strain during heavy-duty tasks. These pry bars are ideal for construction projects, remodeling work, automotive repairs, and general maintenance jobs. Their rugged design ensures dependable performance under tough conditions. Whether you're a professional contractor or dedicated DIY enthusiast, this set offers impressive versatility. Overall, it is a valuable addition to any toolbox. MicroJig Precision Router Guide. MicroJig Precision Router Guide is designed to improve routing accuracy and consistency for woodworking projects of all sizes. I like how it helps maintain controlled cutting paths, resulting in cleaner edges and more professional-looking finishes. The adjustable design allows compatibility with various routers, increasing flexibility in the workshop. Built from durable materials, it withstands regular use while maintaining dependable performance. This guide is ideal for creating grooves, decorative edges, joinery, and detailed woodworking features. Clear adjustment options make setup simple, even for less experienced users. By reducing routing errors, it helps save material and improve project quality. Whether you're building furniture, cabinets, or custom wood pieces, this guide offers excellent precision. Overall, it is a smart woodworking upgrade.
Tormek Blackstone Grindstone. Tormek Blackstone Grindstone is a premium sharpening accessory designed for restoring and maintaining cutting tools with exceptional precision. I like how it handles both aggressive grinding and fine edge refinement, making them highly versatile. The durable stone material delivers consistent sharpening performance while preserving the integrity of blades and tool edges. Used with water cooling systems, it helps prevent overheating and protects valuable tools during sharpening. This grindstone is suitable for chisels, knives, woodworking tools, and other cutting equipment. Professionals and serious hobbyists appreciate its ability to create sharp, accurate edges with repeatable results. Its reliable performance helps extend tool life and improve cutting efficiency. Overall, it is an excellent investment for maintaining high-quality cutting tools. KAIWEETS Precision Flush Cutters. KAIWEETS Precision Flush Cutters are designed for detailed cutting tasks where accuracy and clean results are important. I like the sharp cutting edges that produce smooth, flush cuts on wires, zip ties, and small components. Their compact size allows easy access to tight spaces, making them especially useful for electronics, crafting, and precision repair work. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip and help reduce fatigue during repetitive cutting tasks. Built from durable materials, these cutters are designed for long-lasting performance and reliability. The spring-loaded mechanism improves efficiency by allowing faster operation with less effort. Whether you're an electronics technician, hobbyist, or DIY enthusiast, these cutters offer excellent control. Overall, they are dependable tools for precision cutting applications. Amprobe ULD Leak Detector. Amprobe ULD Leak Detector is a professional diagnostic tool designed to locate air, gas, and pressure leaks quickly and accurately. I like how its advanced ultrasonic detection technology helps identify problems that are often difficult to find using traditional methods. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry and operate in tight spaces. Clear audio and visual indicators help pinpoint leak locations efficiently, reducing troubleshooting time. This tool is especially useful for HVAC maintenance, automotive diagnostics, industrial inspections, and equipment servicing. Its durable construction ensures dependable performance in demanding work environments. By detecting leaks early, it helps prevent costly repairs and improve system efficiency. Overall, it is a valuable tool for technicians who need reliable and accurate leak detection capabilities. Wagner HT1000 Heat Gun. Wagner HT1000 Heat Gun is a versatile tool designed for a wide variety of heating applications around the workshop and home. I like how it delivers consistent heat output, making tasks such as paint removal, shrink wrapping, pipe thawing, and adhesive loosening much easier. The lightweight design improves comfort during extended use, while the ergonomic handle provides excellent control. Its durable construction ensures reliable performance for both occasional and frequent users. The fast heat-up time helps improve productivity and reduce waiting. Whether you're working on renovation projects, automotive repairs, crafts, or maintenance tasks, this heat gun offers dependable results. Easy operation and practical functionality make it suitable for beginners and professionals alike. Overall, it is a reliable multi-purpose heating tool. Heavy-duty door lifter tool. Heavy-duty door lifter tool is designed to make door installation and alignment safer, easier, and more efficient. I like how it provides excellent lifting leverage, reducing physical strain when positioning heavy doors. The strong metal construction ensures durability and dependable performance on demanding job sites. This tool helps achieve accurate door placement, making hinge installation quicker and more precise. Its compact design allows convenient transport and storage without taking up much space. Contractors, carpenters, and DIY users can all benefit from its practical functionality. By minimizing manual lifting effort, it improves workplace safety and productivity. Whether you're installing interior or exterior doors, this tool offers valuable assistance throughout the process. Overall, it is a smart addition to any toolkit. Knoweasy Wire Stripper Tool. Knoweasy Wire Stripper Tool is a practical solution for electrical work, combining stripping, cutting, and crimping functions in one compact tool. I like how it delivers clean wire stripping without damaging the internal conductors, helping ensure reliable electrical connections. The adjustable design supports multiple wire sizes, making it versatile for various applications. Ergonomic handles provide comfort and control, reducing fatigue during extended projects. Built from durable materials, this tool is designed to withstand regular professional and DIY use. The integrated cutting and crimping features improve efficiency by reducing the need for additional tools. Whether you're performing electrical repairs, installations, or maintenance tasks, it delivers dependable results. Overall, it is a convenient and reliable tool for everyday electrical work. Alloyman Electric Screwdriver. Alloyman Electric Screwdriver is a compact cordless tool designed to simplify everyday fastening and assembly tasks. I like how its lightweight design makes it easy to handle, especially during extended projects or when working in confined spaces. The rechargeable battery provides dependable power for furniture assembly, appliance repairs, electronics work, and household maintenance. Multiple included bits increase versatility and allow the tool to handle a variety of screw types. The ergonomic grip improves comfort while maintaining precise control during operation. Its compact size also makes storage and transportation convenient. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or someone who regularly performs basic repairs, this screwdriver offers practical performance. Overall, it combines convenience, portability, and efficiency, making routine fastening tasks much easier and faster. SHARPAL 11-in-1 Sharpener. SHARPAL 11-in-1 Sharpener is a multi-function sharpening tool designed to maintain knives, tools, and blades with ease. I like how it combines multiple sharpening features into one compact device, eliminating the need for several separate tools. The durable sharpening surfaces help restore dull edges quickly while maintaining consistent results. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling and safe operation during use. This sharpener works well for kitchen knives, outdoor gear, workshop tools, and other cutting equipment. The portable design makes it convenient for storage, travel, and on-the-go maintenance. Regular sharpening helps improve cutting performance and extend tool life. Whether you're a homeowner, outdoor enthusiast, or professional user, this sharpener delivers dependable results. Overall, it is a versatile maintenance tool.
Thanks for watching Power Tool Review. I hope this list of 19 new tools on Amazon you should buy now in 2026 helped you discover some powerful and useful tools for your workshop and home projects. Each product was carefully selected for performance, durability, and real-world value. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss reviews. Let me know in the comments which tool you liked most or which one you want to try first. Stay tuned for more top tool recommendations coming soon.